Imagine a world where your technology doesn't just respond to your touch, but anticipates your every move, understands your environment with surgical precision, and monitors your health with the accuracy of a medical professional. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi blockbuster set in the distant future. This is the reality we are stepping into as we approach the highly anticipated release of the AirPods Pro 4. For years, Apple has dominated the wireless earbud market, but the competition is closing in and the pressure to innovate has never been higher. The rumors swirling around the 2026 flagship audio wearable suggest that Apple isn't just planning an incremental update. They are preparing to redefine what an earbud can actually be. We're talking about a complete architectural shift that could fundamentally change how you interact with your iPhone, your Mac, and the world around you. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Asterisk now, let's dive deep into why the AirPods Pro 4 is set to be the most significant leap in audio history. The heart of this revolution lies in a piece of hardware that sounds almost impossible for an earbud: infrared cameras. For the first time ever, industry insiders are pointing toward the integration of miniature camera modules inside the AirPods themselves. You might wonder why on earth your earbuds would need eyes, but the implications for the user experience are staggering. These aren't cameras designed to take selfies or record video in the traditional sense. They are spatial awareness sensors. Imagine being able to control your music or answer a call with mid-air hand gestures, never needing to reach for your phone or even touch the stems of the earbuds. This technology, rumored to be powered by the next-generation H3 chip, would allow the AirPods Pro 4 to track the position of your hands and even map the 3D environment around you. This isn't just about convenience. It's about a deeper integration with Apple's broader ecosystem, particularly the Vision Pro and future augmented reality devices. By offloading spatial processing to the earbuds, Apple is creating a seamless web of hardware that understands exactly where you are and what you're doing. But the innovation doesn't stop at gesture control. The audio experience itself is being rebuilt from the ground up. While the current AirPods Pro models offer industry-leading noise cancellation, the 2026 version is rumored to take this to a level we've never seen. The H3 chip is expected to bring ultra-low latency and a massive boost in computational audio power. We are looking at neural noise cancellation, a system that doesn't just block out static noise like an airplane engine, but can intelligently identify and isolate specific sounds in real time. Imagine being at a crowded, noisy coffee shop and being able to tune in to the person sitting across from you while the earbuds digitally erase the background chatter of dozens of other people. This is the hearing aid functionality taken to its logical extreme, providing users with what can only be described as superhuman hearing. The precision of the transparency mode will likely be so high that you'll forget you're even wearing earbuds, as the H3 chip processes external sounds with zero perceived delay, maintaining the natural timbre of the world while protecting your hearing from sudden loud bursts. Let's talk about health, because this is where Apple is truly moving the needle. The AirPods Pro 4 is expected to become a vital health monitoring tool. Rumors suggest the inclusion of a high-precision heart rate sensor and potentially a core body temperature sensor. While the Apple Watch has handled these metrics for years, the ear canal is actually a much more accurate location for measuring internal biometrics. For athletes, this means more precise data during intense workouts. For the average user, it means the AirPods could potentially detect the onset of a fever or a heart rate anomaly and alert you before you even feel symptoms. This transformation of a music accessory into a medical device is a masterstroke by Apple, making the AirPods Pro 4 an essential purchase even for those who aren't audiophiles. The device is effectively becoming a silent guardian, tucked away in your ears, constantly scanning your vitals to ensure you're performing at your best. Design-wise, Lu is known for its "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" philosophy, but 2026 might bring the first major aesthetic refinement since the Pro line launched. We expect the stems to be shortened even further, or perhaps a more contoured bulb design that sits more flush within the ear to accommodate the new camera modules and health sensors. The charging case is also due for a massive overhaul. With the transition to USB-C fully established, the 2026 case is rumored to include a larger battery and perhaps even a small status display, or improved Find My integration that uses the same ultra-wideband technology found in AirTags. There's even talk of a new magnetic attachment system that makes it harder to lose an individual bud. Every millimeter of the AirPods Pro 4 is being scrutinized by Apple's engineers to ensure that the added technology doesn't sacrifice the all-day comfort that has made the AirPods a global phenomenon. The battery life is another area where we expect a significant jump. Current models provide about 6 hours of listening time with ANC on, but with the efficiency of the H3 chip and advancements in battery density, the AirPods Pro 4 could push that closer to 8 or even 9 hours. When combined with the charging case, you might be looking at 40 hours of total playback time. This is crucial for power users who rely on their earbuds for long work days, back-to-back Zoom calls, and long-haul flights. Furthermore, the charging speeds are expected to increase, giving you an hour of playback with just a 2-minute charge in the case. This zero-friction approach to battery management is what keeps users locked into the Apple ecosystem. As we look toward the potential release date in the second half of 2026, the big question is the price. Apple has traditionally kept the Pro line at the $249 mark, but with the inclusion of infrared cameras and medical-grade sensors, there is intense speculation about a Pro Max tier or a slight price increase. However, Apple's strategy has always been about mass-market dominance. If they can keep the price at $249 while offering features that competitors won't have for years, they will effectively end the earbud war before it even begins. The AirPods Pro 4 isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration. It's Apple saying that the future of computing isn't just on your wrist or in your hand, it's in your ears.